Hello and welcome to my channel, Scale Custom Works, which has kind of evolved over time from Scale Custom Craze, which was my original idea, and my Instagram account. This segment, I think what we're going to do is to look to some coming builds, projects. Got a couple sitting here, so this may not be all that long a video segment. So this one here is probably going to be one of my first video builds. Let's see if we can get this to, can never tell exactly whether it's focusing well enough. This car was beaten to a pulp. I'm going to smooth out all the dents and dings and stuff like that in this plastic. I'll show you guys how to do that. And then we'll get into foiling. So this one is going to contain some of the foiling because this really needs to be foiled up. So we'll show you that. I have a rough idea what color I want to paint this car. I think the interior is more than likely going to stay. It's black. The windshield is going to need some serious work. We're going to do some foil work in around this window, or the windscreen frame itself. And wheel selection, as I have as yet actually selected the wheels for this, though I am looking at a set right this minute. It just might work. I have to see. But that's going to be a surprise. So you're going to have to tune in. Alright. So there's that one. That's one of our coming projects. Let's see, this one here is... see if I can put this one kind of back together a bit, just to give you guys a indication. So you can see that this is the two-piece. Let's get this done up right here. On the go. Get that. And then we're going to put this one down. Let's get our visor in there. So this was something that I've already worked on a bit, but it's been sitting probably for the better part of a year now, to be honest. I don't know whether that's going to go in there properly or not. Let's get this set. This does need some work. But these are definitely the right wheels for this thing. Let's get that set in here. Now, I have the skirts on it, so I'm in that process of cleaning up these skirts and taking them out and reopening up. So there's an awful lot of work that has to be done on this rear section here. But those are my wheel choices. That's the wheel choice. Let's see if this to focus a little bit better with some light. Swing light over here a little bit better. So you get a gist of kind of what this is going to look like once she's done. And I probably will over this and scuff it up a little bit to dull it down a bit. Give it a little bit of a aged look to her. So that's one of the projects coming. And another project that is coming is this car here. I really like this. This, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to get rid of that. Based on a plain simple fact that once we disassemble, maybe she doesn't want to be. It is a sectional type of car. Got this snapped right in there. There we go. There we go. So this I have to try and figure out a way to get rid of this belt and put back in the grill. I have started to remove the belt from here, and that's all going to be smoothed out. You won't even see it. This here, to remove that and to go back to the original body line, it's not hard to take some of this out, but then you see the post is mounted right in there. Not that big a deal, honestly, because of the way it can be attached. It can be attached in a little bit of a different manner. Got to get the right side here first. Right, so, you know, by gluing it in here, I think, and maybe along here, I wouldn't have to worry so much about the post area. And then filling this in here, that area would have to come out, and then I'm going to have to lay something in, do the body work from there. This will be filled, this will be gone. I think this is going to be filled in. Set doors in it. Really reminds me of some things that I've seen there. So I'm going to do that one. This is going to be, so it'll go on it. Here the thinner set, but the large set. And they're actually a perfect replacement for what came on the car. That was part of the Star Wars themes. What else have I got done here? Yes, I do have one more that I want to show. This originally started out as the milk, one of the milk machines. And the cutting and everything of this was a pain, because I had to drill all out and along. Then I got into filing with a big file to get it down. Then I was using some of my tools. And this here is not the line that I'm going to be carrying. That needs to be fixed. I'm going to have a piece set in here, do some other customizing, but I believe that this will end up being like a rusted up version. So kind of making a pickup from the van, because it was a delivery type van, and I think everybody knows this vehicle quite well. It's not like there wasn't a lot of them. They were quite a common car. So that's one of the builds that's coming, and I hope that you guys will tune in for those. I've got lots and lots and lots more coming. So let's see, let's take a look here. What else we got? Save it for another segment. All right, thanks for coming, and please be patient, and things will come along. I think I got a lot to show you guys. All right, thanks once again. Bye for now.